I've got a great little hack that I want to share with you today, and I thought it was pretty cool. It's so simple, you'll wonder why you haven't thought of it. When you're using incandescent light bulbs for your lighting for your videos, it's like we would like to have grids and reflectors and stuff. Let's see, we'll bring this into the picture here. Alright, I came up with this great idea, and I just took my little actually let's turn this off before someone gets hurt. Take my grid off. Take the light bulb out. Yeah. Alright. That light bulb is a little bit warm. Right on. So, here is the little trick. Just take your S bracket, and if you happen to have a reflector, like a Bowens or an Elinchrom in this case, that fits your S bracket, and you have your regular light bulb holder. And then, just instead of sticking that onto a flash, we stick that, not too tight, don't want to break anything. Just stick the S bracket onto the lamp holder, and then you can screw the light bulb in. Not perfectly centered, but pretty good. Right on. And then, if you happen to have and this is an LED light bulb, so there is not very much heat involved. Just pop your grid in there, and voila, you have a gridded incandescent light bulb. Just set it back there where it was, and you can see we have a nice fill. We could also, say, put it on the background, position it where we want it, you know, like so, or so. So, there we go. And the beauty is it's gridded, so it's not spilling onto my face. It's going exactly where I want it. So, if you like this little trick, you can sign up to my YouTube channel for more tricks when I think of them. Thanks for watching.